Most sellers are using Amazon's brand metrics dashboard completely wrong. They open it, look at numbers, and leave more confused than before. But this dashboard is powerful if you use it for direction, not details. Let me show you how I actually use brand metrics to make decisions that move rank, conversion, and growth. Section 1. What this dashboard is for. First thing you need to understand. Brand metrics is not a deep dive tool. Don't try to solve every problem here. That's what SQP, search term reports, and other dashboards are for. Brand metrics answers one big question. Where should I focus next? It tells you if your issue is conversion, positioning, or demand direction first. Diagnosis later. Section 2. Why I start with conversion, not traffic. Most sellers immediately look at traffic. Big mistake. Organic rank on Amazon is controlled by just two things: conversion rate, traffic. But conversion comes first, because if people click your product and don't buy, more traffic just means more wasted clicks. So the first thing I check is conversion rate. I compare three numbers: your conversion rate, category median, category top. Example, if you're converting at 14% and the category median is 24%, that's a problem. That means your listing is underperforming the market before we even think about ads or traffic. Section 3. The big myth about price. Now here's where sellers make excuses. I'm premium priced, that's why my conversion is lower. No, higher price does not excuse poor conversion. If you're priced above the category and converting worse, that's not a traffic problem. That's a storytelling problem. Premium brands need to work harder. You need better creative, stronger visuals, clearer education, stronger positioning. And this is where video, TV ads, and educational content come in. When we lean into upper funnel education, conversion gaps close fast, because now customers understand why you cost more. Section 4. Now we talk traffic. Only after conversion looks healthy do I move to traffic. Two metrics I love inside brand metrics: branded searches. This tells me if demand is being created off Amazon. If this number is growing, your brand is getting stronger. Second, detail page views. This tells you how much digital shelf space you're actually owning. But here's the key. I compare to category median, not just category top, because category top is often dominated by huge CPG brands. That's not a realistic benchmark for most sellers. Median tells you if you're competitive. So remember this. Brand metrics doesn't give you answers. It tells you where the problem lives. Low conversion? Fix your listing and positioning. Good conversion? Low traffic? Now push demand and visibility. High traffic? No branded search growth? You're renting traffic, not building a brand. Use this dashboard for direction, and your strategy gets 10 times sharper.